Hey, Jessica. No, go up there.
Yoshi.
Dude, go for the blue castle. I can take them all.
I'm videotaping you.
What?
No.
No!
We'll send it to YouTube.
Yeah.
Especially now that your mom knows how.
No, you don't.
I
She
do.
does.
Without the sound.
Huh?
What?
With the sound.
With the
Yeah.
sound.
Why can't you just videotape me recording making walkthrough?
Yeah, right here.
Oh no, that's different. Because in the walkthrough, you gotta hook it up to the video.
Oh.
Yeah,
We still
those shots were taken directly from the console.
I want to do that.
Yeah, you should find out how.
Where's your sister?
I want to show a walkthrough in the game, like
Yeah.
Resident Evil 4, Resident Evil 5 or something.
Yeah. And you'll get a lot of hits.
Oh, Andy.
You. And I'm only 10. Oh, why did I say that?
Jessica.
Jessica, she's videotaping you. Whatever.
No, are you videotaping us now? Ayaw pa niya yung video.
Ah, gusto rin pala, no?
We should
Hi,
find out
guys.
how to record so that way. Yeah.
Where's Dandan? Hey, I'm videotaping you guys. Say hi. Hi. Say hi.
The PS3, we'll find out.
Hi.
On the Wii with your Resident Evil.
Uh-huh. Take a picture, take a picture. Oops.